Le silence, nous travaillons sur petit sens, you heard me? You know I'm drinking this cremas right here.
Mas.
Nous là. Nous avons deux monde, deux visiteurs ensemble avec nous. Ils ne vont pas parler créole du tout. Ils vont réagir avec Wendyyy-Dekontrole. Today we have
Tiani.
and then we have right here
Mimi.
and Tiani. Mimi, shot. Oh, sorry. Mimi means shot in Creole.
Oh.
Shot mean Mimi which is cat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shot.
Wait.
French.
Shot is also, sorry, I translated to French.
Yeah,
but
that's French.
You don't speak French either. So it means cat.
She does.
Okay. Okay, alright. Sans pas parler plus, sans faire commentaire, let's react to this. So I cut this because it's a little too long, but it's technically Wendy rapping against Wendy. Wendy's a Haitian rapper, loved by so many. And then he defeat himself. It's kind of like saying that nobody's at his level to even diss him, that only him can diss himself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey yo, squad, yo c'est Joe Wire, get qu'on a get en sous disque, sur les quais, yo c'est pisque, Mr. Yo sous pisque, M célèbre comme Malcolm Potter, m'vin bay album Potter, l'autre la get plus album vrai, mais plus fort c'est album photo, moi yo tout gravé begin nous, si tu parles la fait pipi nous,
So far, does this remind you of any songs, or is what's clicking, or nothing yet? Because I know that thing haven't dropped yet. What you thinking?
So far, that little beat, the do.
Okay.
And plus, like, for example, I listen to K-pop, so I'm used to not understanding what I'm hearing.
Okay.
So in that aspect,
And David haven't even dropped yet. Okay.
For me, I don't have to hear the rap. I'm more of a tempo beat person. I
Okay.
like the beat of it. So
Okay.
even if I don't understand it, as long as the beat is good, I like the beat of it.
Oh, okay. Li di li reme gade bay K-pop, bay Korean. Li di li reme ti bay tout la. E pi, li di li reme depi beat la bien marché, pi flow an bien marché sou li. Ou konen Wendy se pa flow, mi se gen bon flow. Yo reme m konen beat la pou kon mèm lage mèm. An ale.
Chérie, foot la fait bébé. N'a pas d'ailleurs parler, n'a fait comme si nous sud, n'a fait comme si nous partons, n'a fait comme si nous would même la yo ba nous pression pas trembler, n'a fait comme si nous could n'a pris dans sommeil à l'an pas tomber, n'a fait comme si nous could même la yo bin à la jambe pas tourner bambé, boom drop, t'as qu'au bon killer. Yo pas impressionné, c'est bon killer. C'est bon killer. TMT motherfucker, oui c'est Wendy killer. Donc qui ça pour me faire encore, et qui ça pour me faire toujours là. Fait bien, payer, boy côté, toujours là.
C'est comme si perdre, va au Batman. Nous pas perdre, va aller voir pour nous, va au Batman.
Nous décontrôler.
Okay, that was the little verse dropping. What y'all thinking?
Yeah, I was into it. I like it.
Okay, alright. And technically, the little beginning, the little intro of him versus himself, even though there's like a lot of bars, sometimes bars are hard to translate to English. So technically, it's literally him saying that the rap industry doesn't have like,
Nothing on him.
yeah, nothing that could like, it's literally only him who could defend himself. And honestly, on that time, Haiti only had mostly the most famous rap thing was like groups. It was not individuals. So you see how there's the Migos, in Haiti there was only rap groups. There was a Barricade Crew, and there was another group that called Wack Femme, and those two literally. Those two would go against each other.
Okay.
And then he came to the game just by himself. And that was the first time Haiti would have someone who come by themselves and be this successful. There was one person before that who died, but he didn't make as much noise as when he did.
Oh, okay.
So, and then he actually literally took the whole thing, and yeah.
Okay.
Okay, y'all ready? I feel like you were on the zone and I stopped y'all.
No, you was all like,
Okay.
Kounya pose ou pre soufre pren kalmo Chak moun nan moun repren damo Tout nek gentleman repren chamo Epi repren samo Oubliye te problem ou genye boule stress boule kob Pa pase a deme nege boule joie epi bonchi Boule drog feta kouta palmo ou deme Bliye sou gen madame po fan epi patchil Fel gouye tak nou den sol queen Bagay yo chaje kounya den sol ting Majesté nego den sol king TMT motherfucker we son den sol ting Fel twak Boule joie, boule stress, fun trip, nou patana Nou pa beze fom ankon, ki dwejen la gewana Nou dekontrole
You know, even though y'all do not
That
understand.
sounded like that K-pop. That did right there.
Okay.
Of a song that.
Yeah.
that
Just so you know,
tried.
this is very old.
That
So
little bit.
that
right
K-pop
there.
people probably took it from him then.
It did. Well, it might have. I don't know how.
it
long
depends
ago.
how old.
A lot of this does not have any
It
type of
has
copywriting. So if someone were to copy any of this, it would be literally theirs.
So maybe.
So yeah. maybe.
But something I must tell you is the song, like what y'all are doing, was kind of like matching the song because Dekontrole mean to lose control. You know that there's that one song Eminem have that say lose it,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
this is like more like you just you lose it, you go crazy. He's like you lose it so much that you on the Haitian rap he's doing, he's like just take someone else's wife and leave yours and just like start dancing or just leave what you're doing and start twerking. He's saying a bunch and just lose it. But technically you don't have to do all that. And it's more like those guys are doing, you just decontrol it, you lose it. That's it. And you know, this was just the beginning of the album, and this one which mean damn cat me simply anglais mieux, which mean like how do you call someone who cannot be it's called dethroned. No, someone who cannot be dethroned.
Okay.
I don't know
So
how
like
it's
king?
called.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a
Like
king that cannot.
Nobody can be.
But
matched
nobody
with.
can. Literally, he's known as a king, but he called the album a king that cannot be overthrow. Yeah, overthrow is kind of like
Yeah.
M'bliye pou mwen tradi ba sa yo. Sa nou dwe konen yo di yo reme beat lan, reme vibe lan, li semble avek kek K-pop li tan dil, semble avek kek bon beat pa dam sa li menm li reme ancien hip-hop ba sa yo go beat. Yo reme jen ba la gen, mwen ap fet ti dans yu derrière. So mdo Wendy ou pa bezwen kon sa la di yo, pa bezwen ou te ya sou reme kontan de rap ou kompren tout sa la di yo, misye fo. Ou te men pa me kompren mo yo, misye toujou fo. E sa mdo la. Tout kote, chinois, en lè. Anything you wanted to say about the video?
Does he still make music today?
Oh yeah, he just dropped an album actually.
Okay.
Kind of like out of nowhere, but he did drop an album.
So he one of them artists who just pop up with an album.
Pop up with the.
Mm-hmm.
So he took a break and came back.
Mm-hmm. And on that album, I don't know if you've ever heard of some Kendrick song where he had multiple personalities.
Yeah.
On that album, he had 3 personalities. So it's kind of like Eminem, where there's like Slim Shady, Eminem.
And
So
Marshall.
And Marshall.
Yes.
Yep.
So he literally have 3 personalities that are famously, and then he had an album where 3 personalities. He called it 3, literally, and then 3 personalities going at each other, and also, yeah.
Okay.
Ok. Yo mande, eske misye toujwa fè mizik? Pase yo reme misye an pil? Mdi yo, oui, misye feng la gomba album la. E pi, mda pale yo de ki sa Wendyyy fè bay sa, ou konen 3 personalite. E gen chinois, gen Wendyyy, gen Traka. Traka, mwen misye an pil, misye di beti, misye la gen bel ba. Ete tout pou video. That's it. And that's how easy it was.
That was not bad.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Let's
That
say
was actually good.
1 out of 5. How good was this?
That song was actually a 5+.
Yeah.
Oh, you see 5 please. Okay, all right. With that said, no alewi.
I
No
would
al.
listen to it again.
Oh, this is
Oh,
you
I would add it to the
okay,
playlist.
all
I would add it to
right.
my
You will mettre sur playlist yo. You play ton deal encore.
I love that beat.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Avec quoi ça, nous aller, oui? Nous aller.